Huawei P40 and P40 Pro in full growth on official renders. The devices are presented in grey and black colors. The closer the announcement date of the flagship Huawei P40 smartphones, the more details about them appear on the network. This time, the well-known insider Evan Blass posted high-quality and clearly official images on his Twitter profile page. The devices are shown in two color options, silver and black. The Huawei P40 Pro, the display bends to the side of the case. A fingerprint sensor is built into the screen area of new products. The new renders show the back panel of the smartphones. A multi-module camera is installed here in the form of the rectangular block with rounded corners. In the Huawei P40 model, the camera contains 3 optical modules. In the version of Huawei P40 Pro, 4. A dual selfie camera is installed in the front of both devices. An oblong hole is provided for it in the upper left corner of the display. By the way, the last refresh rate will be up to 120 Hz. Huawei P40 will get a flat panel, while Huawei P40 Pro is equipped with a curved OLED screen. The official press images of the flagship smartphones that show the front panels of these phones have been published. The available data confirms previous information that the more affordable Huawei P40 model will get a flat panel, while the Huawei P40 Pro is equipped with a curved OLED screen. At the same time, the Huawei P40 screen has clearly visible frames around the entire perimeter of the screen, while the Huawei P40 Pro has small frames visible only above and below the screen. Smartphones got quite large front cameras, which are embedded in the upper left corner of the screen. The Huawei P40 Pro has a corresponding cutout more, as between the two image sensors. According to rumors, there is an additional sensor shown in the bottom of the smartphones with a symmetrical USB Type-C port. New items will be able to function in 5G mobile networks. Of the features of the hardware platform models, SoC Kirin 990 5G and up to 12 GB of RAM. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.